legacy of the Rancher name has a new entry. Meet the 605S Rancher Baler from Vermeer. Let's take a look at the difference maker it can be for your operation. Let's start at the front of the baler with the pickup. The biggest change you'll notice with the new Rancher baler is that we've gone camless, helping reduce wear on one of the highest stress points of the machine. Run your baler season after season with confidence with just 2 bearings on the pickup head to maintain. We understand that when baling stringy crops, wrapping can come into play with a traditional camless pickup. Our poly riser stripper bands help ease that concern to keep you baling when it matters most. A smooth poly material and a bevel on each side of our stripper bands help shed crop so it won't get caught inside your pickup. Don't worry about getting out of the tractor to replace teeth either. The Rancher comes with rubber-mounted pickup teeth proven to last longer in the field. Pick up wide windrows with a 91-inch flare-to-flare pickup width paired with a rotor to keep crop moving into the chamber. This pickup is held up by 2 things: semi-pneumatic gauge wheels and a 3-year coverage to deliver peace of mind for the long run. Make the bale you want with the tractor you have. The 605S Rancher requires just 75 horsepower to make a full 6-foot by 5-foot bale. From there, it's your choice between a 540 RPM PTO with a friction clutch or 1000 RPM PTO protected by a cutout clutch. The pickup head is protected by a radial pin clutch, and as always, durability is at the forefront on a Vermeer machine with large hex drive shafts and bearings throughout. Great bale shape requires a trustworthy net wrap system. Get the edge-to-edge spread you need. This mechanical net wrap system has a dual spiral roller to ensure your net wrap gets all the way to the edge of the bale with an eye towards simplicity. You also won't need to worry about putting a spacer in to use a different width of net wrap that you or your customers might select. If you're ready to stop lifting those heavy rolls of net wrap into the baler, our optional net lift system can swing out and away from the net hood so you can pick up your net from the ground or your tailgate and swing it into place. Manage your bale quality with ease. Density adjustment is now available in cab and at your fingertips thanks to the Atlas Pro control system. You can also track bale counts for up to 50 fields, monitor the amount of net you have on your roll, and see live readings from the standard moisture sensors on the 605S Rancher. Make educated management decisions or provide more accurate billing to customers by pairing the Atlas Pro with optional scales to give yourself even more data on yield and tonnage. The 605S Rancher lets you choose the features that make the biggest impact for your haymaking process. Optional auto lube, chain oilers, and maintenance lights help optimize your time in the field. Get ready to go to work with the 605S Rancher Baler. For more information on Vermeer round balers or other hay tools, contact your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com.